Today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make Tuscan roasted Parmesan asparagus. This asparagus is one of my favorite springtime side dishes. The fresh asparagus is topped with garlic, onions, and fresh tomatoes. Then it gets a healthy coating of fresh Parmesan cheese, because you know, cheese makes everything better. The first step in making this Tuscan Parmesan asparagus is cutting the asparagus to the appropriate size. So this is a very easy thing to do. You're going to start by taking a single stalk and snapping it until it breaks where it wants to break. Then you just line up the rest of the stalks with the one that you broke and chop it at that point. Next, we're going to pour some melted butter into a 13 by 9 baking pan. Then we're just going to lay the asparagus stalks down in an even layer in the pan. Okay, we're going to sprinkle these with a little bit of house seasoning. You can find the recipe for my house seasoning blend on my website. I love it because it adds so much flavor. Then we're going to add some chopped onion to the top of the asparagus. Next, we're going to add chopped garlic. Next up is some dried thyme and some dried basil. On top of this, we're going to lay some slices of fresh tomato. You can add as many or as few as you'd like. I like to put a nice 2 rows or so. The last thing we're going to add to our Tuscan roasted asparagus is a coating of fresh Parmesan cheese. I like to grate this just right over the top. And that's it. We're going to bake this at 350 degrees. Thanks for watching. You can get the full printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single recipe. And be sure to check out all of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.